pull this live axle out of here, and we'll start building up the actual axle there. So when we think about where the motor's gonna be, it's gonna be back in here. The crankshaft's gonna be on this side. So we want our gearing to be on this side. We'll slide our axle in. And here's our 420 chain 54 tooth gear. You could go with the split sprocket on this hub, but I went the cheaper route, solid one. So it'll go on first. Then I'm going to put a lock collar. Next we're going to put our wheel. Then we'll get another lock collar on there. Next thing we'll do is our brake rotor hub. And I knew this was a problem from fitting this axle together beforehand. My axle don't fit inside that bore, so I'm gonna have to open this up. So let me open this up just a little bit and I'll get back with you. All right guys, it's another day. I opened up the bore on this with a die grinder. So we'll slide our brake rotor on there. And we'll slide our hub on. And we'll put the axle through the other bearing. Just like so. I don't know where anything's going to land just yet, so I didn't put any keys in there. Kind of regretting that decision at the moment, but I'll get a couple keys in this wheel. I'm gonna put 2 keys in the wheel. I got that axle pretty well centered there. We'll slide one retainer over to it and we'll get that tightened down. Then on this side, we do the same thing. Slide that retainer over. Get it snugged down. Now for our sprocket hub, we got another key. Drop it in there. Slide it in its place. We'll just tighten that bolt right there. Still wiggles. I don't know, that's as tight as I can get it. Now we're back over here. This might have been easier to do before we stuck it on there, but it's too late now. We'll bolt that rotor to the hub. Our rotor's mounted. We have a key. Slide that in. There's 2 set screws on that hub. There's one right there. One right there. Neither one of them is on the key, which I would like if it was. But we don't know where this is going to end up just yet. I don't have a caliper for it. So we're just going to snug them down for now. And we get 2 more locking collars. We'll put them on the outside here. Snug them down. There's that one. There's that one. And each bearing has 2 set screws as well. So we'll set that one. Set that one. We'll come over to this side and set that one. And that one. Alright guys, so there we have it. Go Power Sports live axle kit installed. Now that might be it on this one for a little bit, because I need to order a brake caliper and I need to order a motor plate. And I might order some more locking collars too. So you do have these set screws on the bearing there, and there's 2 on each one. I don't know if I'd really trust that enough to hold that axle in there. So I want some on the outside here, and then on this hub I can't get that clamping screw there, right there, to tighten anymore, and that thing is still loose. I can move it still. That key moves in and out of there, so it ain't gonna stay. So I'd like to get some locking collars for each side of those. Then we got the brake rotor side. I did open the bore up on that and it's still really snug on there, but you can move that key still. Since the set screws aren't on the key, they go straight to the axle, I can still move that key. Being able to move those keys doesn't sit well with me, because nothing's locking that key in place, so it can slide out either direction it wants to. So I want 2 more locking collars for that, so 4 more locking collars, and then I'll be happy, I think. Alright guys, so I'll throw 4 locking collars, a brake caliper, and a motor plate on my list of stuff I need to get for this build. We'll get it ordered. When I get it, it's when you'll see this one again. Thanks guys, hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.